How to easily fix quantum fiber internet not working. The first things first is make sure that all the necessary wires that is attached to your physical router is stable and in well placed. Now, what you want to do next is just to unplug everything from your physical router and then just try to plug it back in. Reset your physical router and try if the internet is already working. Now, the other thing that you can try to do is just to go ahead and power cycle your quantum fiber physical router. Next thing is just heading directly to your nearest customer service physical store or even contact the specific number that is indicated on your screen right now. What you want to do from them is just to ask if there are any outage or system outage that is currently happening on the day that you're trying to troubleshoot this problem. And that's basically it. It's the very basic parts or steps that you can try to do on your end for you to be able to fix your quantum fiber internet connection is not working.